The fire is the highlight of any camping trip. Join me as we discover how to build a fire just like this one. To make our fire, we will need a couple of supplies. A good place to make our fire, a jug of water for after the fire, some firewood, some kindling, some tinder, and a good device that will help us light our fire. First, we need to find a good suitable place to start a fire, kind of like the one you see here. We'll need to find a place that has no leaf litter that's flammable. We'll need to also find a place that's below ground that will help protect it from the wind, and that has a good firewall that will help contain the fire. Once you have found one that's already supplied with all the campsites, we'll need to get some firewood and some kindling. These can be picked up at the camp office, the park office, and the park store. But we have to make sure that they are Ontario Parks certified wood, as this wood is native and free of any invasive species. If we do bring wood in that is not Ontario Parks certified, it may contain invasive species, which is harmful to our park. From there, we'll have to decide which method of fire starting we are going to use. There's two popular methods which we are talking about today, the teepee and the log cabin. Today we are going to be using the log cabin. Start by grabbing some kindling and making a base, like so. From there, we can grab some more kindling and make some layers, as you can see that's being done right here. After that is finished, grab some of our tinder and put it in the bottom of the cabin. After that is done, split up some kindling to make very fine pieces, as you can see here. After that is completed, lay them on top, like so. After that is laid on top, you can now proceed to light your fire. It may take a couple tries, so don't worry. After the fire has caught onto your kindling, you can now proceed by adding some larger wood logs. When doing so, and when making the log cabin, make sure to leave plenty of space for air to get in, as one of the major problems with starting a fire is a lack of oxygen. After your fire has been successfully lit, enjoy your stay here at Rondeau Provincial Park.